Now, let's put together your project charter. All of the information from initiation is documented in the project charter, providing the key information the project manager needs to conduct a productive planning stage, and then is signed off by the sponsor and sent to all the stakeholders. Here is a typical charter table of contents. First, an introduction, any background information, and especially describing the need, the problem or opportunity, providing the reason the project is being considered. Then the customer, the end user that touches the project result, with one person identified as the formal point of contact. The sponsor, the entity providing the budget. This might be an organization or department, but the same rule applies. There must be one person as the formal project point of contact. Then the scope, including the objective, one sentence, the all-important ultimate outcome and benefit agreed to by the stakeholders. Then the assumptions, things the project manager can assume are true to simplify planning. Then the constraints, including budget, schedule, standards, or other project-level limitations the project manager should build into the plan. Together, the objective, assumptions, and constraints provide the first top-level baseline of the project scope. Then the conceptual solution, a top-level description of how the project should meet the objective, not too detailed, sometimes just a list of important end deliverables. Then the business case, the estimates of the project benefits and costs, to be revisited after planning produces more accurate information for final decision-making. Then the stakeholders, all those that can affect or be affected by the project, particularly including those that must contribute resources or otherwise support the project. Again, with an all-important single person representing each group. Then a project manager, the person that will carry the project forward into planning, with mandate statements describing their accountability and authority and empowering them in the eyes of the rest of the organization. Finally, the planning schedule and budget, the time and cost the project plan should be completed within. With the charter documented and signed off by the sponsor, the project manager now has the information and organizational support they need to conduct efficient and productive planning and figure out what the project will really take.